Welcome to this video mini lesson introduction to effect size. Effect size refers to the strength or impact of a finding, and it's what we refer to as practical significance, and it doesn't have anything directly to do with statistical significance, and yet the two are related. So if you think about this green area as representing a sample, your effect size is the degree to which a treatment pushes the sample away from the mean. So that distance that a treatment pushes a sample away from the mean is referred to as the effect size. So it's a distance, so to speak. So it can be thought of in terms of standard deviation. So if you think about it, in this particular situation, a treatment seems to have had some effect on a sample. It's moved it to the right. However, it hasn't pushed it so far as to be into the exclusion area. So it would not be a statistical significant finding or effect of the treatment. However, there is still some practical significance. So when we're talking about effect size, there are various tests for effect size. So for the t-test, we're using Cohen's d. And the formula for that is d, referring to Cohen's d, is equal to the sample mean minus the population mean divided by the estimated population standard deviation. So remember, when I said here, because effect size is sort of the distance, the impact of a treatment, the degree to which it's moved away from the mean, the population mean. So that distance can be thought of in terms of standard deviation units here. So as you can see, this is very similar to the t-test ratio. We're taking mean of the sample minus the estimated mean of the population, except in the t-test ratio, you would be divided by the estimated standard error of the mean, whereas here you're dividing by the estimated population standard deviation. Now, when we're talking about effect size using Cohen's d formula, then you can think of anything around 0.20 as a small effect, anything about 0.50 as a medium effect, and 0.80 as a large effect. And remember, this is in terms of estimated population standard deviation units. So if you think about it, you could have potentially a large effect, 0.8, and it still not push your sample into the exclusion area. So you could have a large practical significance without having any statistical significance. So that's sort of an interesting finding that you could have for yourself. And we'll be talking about other methods for establishing effect size for the other analyses that we do. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.